Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Mango Chicken Skewers. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. While making this video, my wife had an incident, but more of that later. To prepare the chicken for these skewers is simplicity itself. First, start with the mango. Skin it, cut the flesh off the stone and chop roughly. Follow this by the ginger, garlic and red onion. Then place all the ingredients except for the chicken in a blender and blitz to a fine paste. How hard can that be? The eagle-eyed amongst you will notice I only put one green chilli into the mixture today. That's because the chilli police, i.e. my wife, won't let me put any more in. But if you're not worried about being verbally castrated by your wife, put as many damn chillies in as you want. Then when the paste is ready, pour over the chicken and mix thoroughly through so every piece gets coated. Then comes the messy bit, so get your wife in from the garden and get her to put the chicken pieces onto the skewers. Then when this is done, it's off to the fridge for at least an hour to marinate. Dear viewers, it was at this stage of the game the incident occurred. I just turned the camera off and...
I think I might need to go to the shop and get some more chicken.
I think you're spot on there, Petal. So after the fresh chicken was procured, marinated and stuck on the skewers, we were ready to cook. And to do this, heat a well-oiled griddle pan till it's nice and hot, add the skewers and cook, turning occasionally until thoroughly cooked through. Little tip here, make sure the griddle pan is really hot before you put the chicken on to give you them lovely tram mark lines. And there you go, Mango Chicken Skewers. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a go sometime. Feel free to subscribe, share and like if you did like the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.